Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at the True Intentions deck that I just recently got. I will be going through a lot of different decks for you guys, and eventually I will be showing you guys my most intuitive decks because I'm one of those people. I'm an intuitive tarot reader, but I also work with energy, clairsentience, empath. So there are a lot of different things that come into it, but I love intuitive decks because I can look at the pictures and get more information on whatever it is that the question is, or just on, just reading someone in general. So we're gonna go through this deck and see what it is. This is the initial card. Okay, so here we go. And they do feel like cardboard. They're not really super sturdy or anything like that. I'm not the type of person that really shuffles my deck too much as far as going like this. Like if I was using playing cards, I can, but I try not to, just because I personally like to preserve the way that my cards look. So I'll more shuffle doing one of these because it doesn't put so much strain on my cards. I'm really one of those people that just like my cards to really look brand new. So now let's get into showing you, and I'll be quiet and just show you guys the deck. Here we go. Okay, and this is the final card in the True Intentions deck. There were 55 cards. I do love the messages. I've already cleansed my deck with smoke, as well as my selenite wands, which I will continue to use as I use them. But I really like this deck. As far as the words, as far as the longevity of it, you do have to be careful. They are more like cardboard. Definitely don't get them wet at all. But other than that, if you like this types of videos, definitely share. I'm looking for my people. I'm rebuilding my channel, and this is something that is really helping others that I do on TikTok consistently. So check my description area for all my information, and if you want to book a reading, then that is in the description area as well. Thanks so much, and bye for now.